Notice that I eat different fruit and veggie varieties in different times of the year. The takeaway from this video is one simple rule for a raw diet meal plan. Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I've been eating exclusively a vegan diet since 2005 and exclusively a raw vegan diet since 2012. This means that my diet consists of fresh fruits and vegetables with small amounts of nuts and seeds. This diet is very nicely explained in the book The 80-10-10 Diet that I warmly recommend. You can order this book through the link below this video. In today's video, you're gonna learn how a typical meal plan on a low-fat raw vegan diet looks like. Let's go straight to this meal plan. All this food that you see in front of me is part of my typical winter meal plan on my raw vegan diet. However, besides all these foods, there are two more very important items in my daily meal plan, which are exercise and hydration. I always start the day with morning exercise. In one of the following videos, I will explain in detail why exercise is so important. And now, I would like you to let the following acknowledgement sink deep into your mind. Exercise is part of personal hygiene. Exercise is part of a diet. Exercise is part of a meal plan. A meal plan is only complete when it includes exercise as a very important item. Through exercise, we prepare the body to use nutrients from food in the most effective way. Personally, I exercise every morning wearing a 22-pound, which is 10 kilo, weight vest on my back. And there is a very important reason why it is extremely important to exercise with weight. You can order this weight vest on amazongloves.com via the link below this video. It is very important to maintain the main aspects of fitness, namely strength, stamina, flexibility, balance, and movement coordination. You can practice all these aspects of fitness in my 7-day yoga challenge for a lean and flexible body yoga course. Participation in this yoga course is free. Sign up now for this course via the link below this video. And now, who have followed me closely for a while already know that I always do the most powerful intestinal exercise every morning, Nauli Kriya. Nauli Kriya is an extremely powerful exercise for achieving exceptional control over the abs. This exercise stimulates intestinal peristalsis and massages the inner organs. You can learn this exercise with a step-by-step tutorial in my online yoga course. Register now for free via the link below this video and start practicing. While I exercise, I drink slightly warmed water with fresh lemon juice. If you want me to share my secret lemonade recipe, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do it. One of the roles of exercise is to prepare the body to process food in the most effective way. Therefore, breakfast comes after exercise. The role of breakfast is to hydrate the body. That's why for breakfast we choose the juiciest fruits in the given season. Here you can see how I prepare my favorite winter breakfast, tangerines. You can order this practical citrus peeler on amazongloves.com via the link below this video. Here is about 2.2 pounds, which is 1 kilo of tangerines measured without the peels. Personally, I like to have a fresh green juice with my breakfast. The juice may include celery, Swiss chard, parsley, dill, spinach, and Granny Smith apples. So this is a juice made in a juicer, not a smoothie made in a blender. The difference is huge. And here is my favorite daily winter breakfast: tangerines and green juice. Yummy! Some more examples of my personal favorite food choices for breakfast are the following: clementines. And no, please don't tell me that tangerines and clementines are the same fruit. There are similarities, but it is a completely different fruit. Pineapple. Ripe tropical pineapple is honey sweet and one of my favorite foods. Peaches. I strongly suggest you try this simple combination with peaches and raspberries. Nectarines. I don't know if I've ever told you, but I have to tell you again for the 100th time. I love nectarines. Now, having said what was on my heart, let's move on. Watermelon. Perfect summer hydration. Unfortunately for me, I do not digest watermelon well. If you have the same problem, I strongly recommend that you try seedless watermelons. For some reason, my stomach tolerates seedless watermelons perfectly well, but not the seeded ones. This is purely my personal example. I'm putting it out there in case it helps someone. Melons. Please, let's stop here for a second so that I can pay tribute to beautiful melons. A breakfast of juicy, ripe, sweet melon is like the most beautiful heavenly delight. I love melons so much that I truly believe that one day the airline companies will introduce melons as an option in their menus because of me. And to tell you the truth, they owe me at least that much. There are many melon varieties, and I highly encourage you to find the melon varieties that you like best. I also encourage you to try this combo from the picture: melon with blueberries. Papaya. When papaya is ripe, its orange flesh simply melts into sweetness. Papaya contains the papain enzyme, which aids digestion, and papaya fibers stimulate intestinal peristalsis. Thus, papaya is a perfect breakfast choice. But let's go back to my winter breakfast. Here is about 2.2 pounds, which is 1 kilo of tangerines measured without the peels, and 1 glass of green juice made with celery, parsley, and Granny Smith apples. This meal yields about 650 calories. I would also like to draw your attention to the content of vitamin C in the first meal alone. 370 milligrams of vitamin C from whole plant-based food. It is said that this is 4 times more than the recommended daily value, but I am responsibly claiming that the truth is different. People on a standard diet are severely deficient in vitamin C. The recommended daily values just show that the standard diet is deficient in vitamin C. I'm signing my words. This is a healthy breakfast, hydrating and vitamin C rich. The role of lunch is to provide the most efficient fuel for the body, which is simple sugars packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, coenzymes, fibers, and water. That's why we choose the sweetest fruit of the given season for lunch. Personally, I like to have some greens or a cucumber with my sweet fruit. If you've been following me for a while, then you know how much I love persimmons. When persimmons are ripe, they are perfect to be eaten as they are. They don't need any preparation because they are already prepared. But I love persimmon pudding. Admittedly, I have to point out that there are a couple of details that need to be paid attention to when making persimmon pudding in order to make a good one. But anyway, my favorite winter lunch is persimmon pudding. Persimmon pudding is pure love. Leave me an orange heart in the comments down below if you agree. Here are a few more foods that are perfect for a raw vegan lunch. Bananas. Bananas are such a good material for creativity. Here are some ideas. Banana porridge with strawberries and freshly grated nutmeg. Banana porridge with raw carob and raspberries. Banana ice cream with blueberries and grated cinnamon. Banana ice cream with strawberries and anise seeds. Semi-dehydrated whole bananas with strawberry dried apple sauce. Where there is creativity, there's a way. Grapes. A plate of grapes is a great meal. In fact, one of my favorites. 2 pounds, which is 1 kilo of grapes, yields about 700 calories, which meets the caloric needs for one meal of an average adult. Keep in mind that there are different grape varieties, so I encourage you to find the ones you like and dislike, because different grape varieties differ greatly in taste and texture. Personally, I'm very picky when it comes to types and varieties of fruits and vegetables because I know exactly what type and variety of a specific fruit or vegetable I want. Just for example, my favorite black grape variety is, at least for me, unparalleled Muscat Hamburg, and my favorite white grape variety is Thompson Seedless. Please share in the comments below this video. What is your favorite grape variety? So just that I know what to serve you when you come to one of my retreats. Figs. I know I said this for 1,000 times, but I have to say it again. I adore figs. Fig season is probably one of the sweetest seasons of the year. Don't you agree? The only problem is that it is also when grapes are in season. So we have this sweet problem. What to choose? Figs or grapes? Can we have both? Figs are paradise food, and I encourage you to enjoy these gifts of nature and treat them not as a dessert but as a meal because your body deserves it. 2 pounds, which is 1 kilo of figs, yields about 740 calories, which is a filling and extremely delicious meal. And if you're in the tropics, you can enjoy an extraordinary lunch of mangoes, or dragon fruits, or jackfruit. Infinite and delicious possibilities on a raw diet. But let's go back to my winter lunch. A pudding of about 2 pounds, which is 1 kilo of persimmons, and 1 cucumber. This meal yields about 730 calories. The role of dinner is to provide minerals and fatty acids. And that's why for dinner we choose vegetables with a small amount of some fat source like avocado or nuts or seeds. Since vegetables contain very few calories, not enough to satiate the average person, we start dinner with some non-sweet fruit or, for example, a fresh citrus juice. The example you see in this video is a pomegranate orange juice as the first course. By the way, you can order a pomegranate press on amazonglows.com via the link below this video. As the main dish, we have my raw vegan mac and cheese. The recipe link is below this video. And a salad made with cucumbers and young sprouted fenugreek greens in lemon juice. This whole dinner yields about 640 calories. And these meals together come up to about 2,000 calories, out of which 82% comes from carbs, 12% comes from fat, and 6% comes from protein. A perfect ratio. Notice that I eat different fruit and veggie varieties in different times of the year. The takeaway from this video is one simple rule for a raw diet meal plan. Breakfast, juicy fruit. Lunch, sweet fruit with some cucumbers or greens. Dinner, some semi-sweet fruit or fresh citrus juice as the first course, followed by a salad and a vegetable dish such as a raw vegan pasta. Sign up now for the free Raw Vegan Pasta Recipes online course on my healthgloves.net website. The link is below this video. Now that you have seen my typical winter raw vegan meal plan, let me take you on a tour of my kitchen and my fridge. As you can see, persimmons are a mandatory part of my kitchen during winter. There is no stove in my kitchen, but my kitchen is excellently equipped with all the devices for preparing raw vegan meals. And let's take a look into my fridge. If you are wondering what is on the top shelf, Those are my natural hair and skincare products. If you're wondering why those bananas are black, well, I'm just rescuing some ripe bananas that won't go away today. Under that black peels are delicious bananas. In addition to fresh raw vegan food, I place great emphasis on the water quality, so I have a reverse osmosis water filter under my sink. You can order a reverse osmosis water filter on amazonglows.com via the link below this video. I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed this video and that you have learned a lot of practical and useful knowledge that you can implement right away into your lifestyle so that you can be healthier. In the following videos, we're gonna explain in details every single meal separately. And when I say every single meal, I think of, as you have learned in today's video, of 5 primary meals for every day. And those are hydration, exercise, breakfast, lunch, dinner. But the story doesn't end here. There are more meals that are very important. Sufficient sleep, sunshine, meaningful life, and love. These are all meals. This is all food for your mind, your spirit, and your physical body, because your existence does not end with your physical body. That's just one aspect of your whole being, of your whole life. But one step at a time with these teachings. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my Health Glows YouTube channel so that you can enjoy all the upcoming videos that I'm creating for you. In those upcoming videos, you're gonna get free raw vegan recipes and free education on a raw vegan diet, exercise, and healthy living. If these are the topics that you are interested in, then welcome to my little world, my Health Glows YouTube channel, the place where you learn how to be your Health Glows you. Until the next time, I'm wishing you warm regards, and as always, keep glowing, my friends. Bye bye.